Perfectly located in Lakewood Ranch, welcome to Sapphire Point. Featuring a gated entry and family-friendly amenities, including a clubhouse, resort-style pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, fire pits, playgrounds, and a basketball court. Sapphire Point offers the perfect blend of livability and location. Choose from 1 or 2 story single-family homes, which are perfect for entertaining and enjoying family time. Prices range from the 300s to the 600s and offer open floor plans and amazing designer features, making everyday living and entertaining effortless, so you can relax and spend more time enjoying the things you love. Floor plans starting at 1,400 square feet all the way up to their estate models, which are around 5,300 square feet. This sought-after location, next to the premier sports campus and within minutes to top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and so much more, makes it easy to live the ultimate Southwest Florida lifestyle that you deserve. Here you'll discover top-selling home designs, personalized to fit every stage of life. Enjoy the small-town feel with big city opportunities at Sapphire Point. You'll find 472 single-family homes with resort-style amenities located right outside your doorstep. With Pulte, building your new dream home has never been easier. HOA will be around $200 to $300 a month, and CDD is estimated to be around $1,000 annually. We hope you found this video valuable. We're so excited to help you find your dream home here on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida. Subscribe to our page on YouTube and give us a call today. It's our mission to show you what it's like to live, work, and play here in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. Our agents are excited to get to work for you.